This is a Nutone Elegance ceiling fan from 1988. It has 3 speeds and a rubber flywheel with a stack motor on it. It's in really good shape. I got this while fan hunting with the Fan 21, and we'll turn it on for you. This will be low speed. It's got a pretty nice low to it. Well, that's low speed. This is medium speed. This will be high speed. It does have a little noticeable wobble on high. Nothing too bad. Moves a good amount of air. And I'll turn it off. That is my Nutone Elegance ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.